GM, guys, we are back, and I don't think we're going to stop with the launches. Rajanshi, GM, how's it going?
Hello, guys. Very hectic, very hectic. The launches are not getting over. We still have few more to go,
Yes,
but we are
100%.
very happy about it.
For sure. I think every launch is coming along super well, and has its own trajectory. So really enjoying that process. Today also another crack team, another very creative focused product. So I think let's just add the team to the stage and jump right into it.
Yes, let's get started.
GM.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Everyone.
How are you
GM,
feeling?
Good, very excited.
awesome. So okay, lovely guys. Why don't you just quickly introduce yourselves, and we'll go around. I can do a quick round of intros.
What order do we take for the intros?
Aryan, I
I'll
just
go
start.
Aryan, you can
first.
start.
Aryan, you
Yeah,
start.
you start.
Let's start. Hi guys, I'm Aryan. I'm a backend and smart contracts developer. I've been in the space for around 2 years now, and I've been a developer for the past 4 years. And uh, I was in the Base Fellowship 3.0, and we built a really cool app with a really cool team. And I'm happy to say that I can also add being a full stack developer in my resume now because I learned a lot of new stuff. So yeah, really excited to show the product to you guys.
Amazing. Let's move on to Amrit, your partner.
Hey everyone, my name's Amrit. I am an indie hacker. I'm working on a startup called Flashmates. So basically, I'm more of a Web2 person, but who's into Web2 as well. So Base Fellowship 3.0 was probably my second time getting to the world of Web3. So got to learn a lot, did a bunch of things, and yeah, and I'm quite excited because this is something that's going to change how creators can access wealth opportunities. So quite excited for the launch.
Perfect, guys. Even we are very excited for your launch because this is an amazing creator focused app, according to me. Let's go, Sukriti. You all know Sukriti from CT.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sukriti. I lead community efforts at Initia. I'm also a marketer as well as a creator. I was part of Base Fellowship 3.0, working with two different pods, and today is the launch for our first product. So, yeah, I'm very excited.
Perfect. You guys already know Ishika from one of the past launches, but quick intro, Ishika.
Hey everyone, I'm Ishika. So I'm a product and visual designer. I've been in the space for 1.5 to 2 years now, and like I'm pretty excited to show you what I've been doing.
Amazing. Let's not waste any time and dive right into the launch video that Sukriti has crafted with a lot of efforts. Let's get into it.
All right, let's see it.
You need gears, ideas, energy, and sometimes a little capital just to keep going. But how do you prove your credibility as a creator? And as an on chain creator, how do you actually use the creator coins you earn from your content? Introducing Buzz.fun, where creator score meets capital. Your creator score shows your credibility. The higher your score, the more doors it's gonna unlock, like getting instant micro loans backed by your creator coin value. Invest in better equipment, grow your channel, keep creating. No banks, no paperwork, no waiting. Because creators deserve more than likes, they deserve capital.
Awesome, guys. Lovely video. Very clear. So, guys, why don't you all now walk us through what Buzz Base is and how it actually works?
Okay, so I'll walk us through our project. And So we built Pod 7 in the fellowship, and we built Buzz.fun on base. And so, Ahan, if you move on to the next slide. So, yeah, what was our problem statement? So, we wanted to build something for creators because it was also a main theme for the fellowship. And we focused on Farcaster and Zora as a starting point for our MVP. So, Zora really revolutionized social media, bringing in a new domain called SocialFi. And what it did was it gave the power back to the creators and the users instead of it being focused in centralized uh, agencies like the social media owners. So on Zora, each new creator gets a creator coin. It has around 3 billion tokens, and what you do is that whenever you want to interact with your creator, you pay them, and the liquidity it goes into the creator coins. So thus, as you're consuming content, you're also supporting your favorite creator by being directly involved in their journey, and you're also in a way investing in them when they're in the early stages, and as they grow, you grow with them as well. But there are certain challenges with these creator coins. So these are ERC20 tokens, but they have very low liquidity, and then their price volatility is also very high. So it's difficult to use them in a lot of meaningful contexts. So it's difficult to find liquidity pools for the tokens or dexes which are looking to swap them easily, and you can't really use them as collateral for now because like big protocols like Aave or other lending protocols, they'd expect you to put in a more stable currency like ETH as deposits. So creators, they lack direct access to financial tools which they could use their creator coins for and they don't really have access to meaningful capital, and that's what we're doing as Buzz.fun. So our goal is to give these coins a real use case and also build a financial system and a credit based lending system which we built together at the fellowship. So yeah, if you go on to the next slide. Yeah, so we introduced a new metric called Creator Score, and it's a metric specifically for creators, both Web3 creators and creators from Web2 who are transitioning into Web3. So we already have metrics like on-chain scores, which are mainly focused on wallet activities, which could make sense for DeFi power users or for developers. But if you're a content creator, it doesn't really make sense for you to have a very active wallet history or a very good creator score. So we wanted to build a new metric, and it serves two purposes. So it's also a score which can be used directly. It could go on your resume, but it also unlocks the second part of our product, which is the lending protocol. So for that, we wrote our algorithm in house, and for now, we are fetching data from Farcaster, historical data for users. So what we do is that existing users they get scores based on their like uh, consistency, how much engaged they are with their audience, and how much they've been growing over the past years. So these are some of the metrics that we use to get the on-chain score, and then we use it for micro loans for the creators. For this way, they can use their creator coins as a way to use them as collateral and invest in themselves. And yeah, it has many uses like we submit on-chain scores for fellowships or hackathons as a metric to show how much we've been active in the space. So this could also be used by these organizations or DAOs if they want to give out grants to creators. So it could be a really useful metric with a lot of use cases. And, next slide. Okay, and for V0 in the app, we build the creator score protocol, which lets you create your fetch your score, share it with your friends, mint NFTs for it, and then also challenge other creators and see what their score is and how you compare against the others. And there is a live leaderboard as well. But for V1 of the protocol, which will be a lending protocol, is something that we want to build. And in the initial version, we'll keep it permission for equity and inclusion. So there will be, it's coming soon. So there will be a waitlist and soul-bound NFTs, which we'll use as a way, as an entry point into the protocol. Because like given the volatile nature of creator coins, we can't make it decentralized and autonomous from day one. So this will be our pilot testing phase. So everyone will be invited. There will be a fair pilot, and then creators can start out with smaller loans, maybe 100 to 1,000 USD, and then they can use it to buy equipment. They could use it to produce a new project that they're working on or a creative idea that they have for their and use it to grow their audience, and they don't really have to sell their creator coins. They can use it as collateral, and then they can unlock a lot more from these coins. So, next slide. So yeah, the long-term vision is to automate the entire thing because again, we're in Web3. It doesn't make sense for the system to be centralized and in control by a few actors. So the long-term vision would be to create a DAO around it, and we'll obviously use tokens for voting and governance decisions. But in the initial stage, we don't want to launch another ERC20 token. So we want to use like NFT based voting, and then users can again stake their NFTs, and then depending on how long you've been part of the community, your vote grows in power. So again, these are all like mechanisms we use when building new DAOs. So we're still researching this, and then our goal is again for the treasury to be fully transparent and have fair rules, so that anyone, even the smaller creators who is our target audience, they can take part of the system and yeah, make it useful for everyone and be completely transparent. This is what our app looks like right now. On your phone, you can obviously test it out. Like Han, you'll go on the next slide. There's a QR code for the app, so you guys can use your camera to scan this, open it on Farcaster, see what your score is, see how your friends are scoring, and then post about it, brag about it, and share the app. So this is what we built in the fellowship.
Very cool, dude. I'm just checking my own score.
Amazing, guys. Yes, let's do that. Let's check our scores.
70. I'm in the top 20%. Let's go.
So that's almost double
How
what
did
my
you
score is.
how did you guys come up with the loan version of it? And will it how will it be? Like if a creator is engaging at first, but then the engagement goes down, will that affect the interest rate or anything of that sort?
So for now, we're still working on the algorithm. So for the creator score, it doesn't change a lot. Like if you're not active for a few days, obviously it will not go down. So we do look at historical data and trends in terms of how much you've been active in the community. But then these are long-term goals. So if you just create a new Zora and Farcaster account today and then try to get a loan on the app, it won't really work because you need to be present for at least a month or two or three, which also makes sense from a realistic point of view. Like you don't need access to capital from day one. So our algorithm is based in a way that once you get your score, you get a score out of 100, but you also get tiers. So it's like a credit based system. So if your rating is double B or triple B or A or triple A, and then depending on the tier which you are in, you get like better interest rates and better rebate on your loans. Maybe you can pick up more capital. Like say if you're a double A creator, you could go up to 5,000 USD, and then we give you a better leeway in terms of how much interest you have to pay and how much time we give you. Like you could maybe pay the loan back over a period of 6 months because you have a good score to begin with, and then as the protocol uh, continues and evolves, you can add these like a feedback mechanism. Like if you're taking loans, if you're paying them back on time, it can again feedback into your score. And there are again a lot of metrics which like the possibilities are endless. And again, we'll need liquidity providers. So again, DAOs or other organizations which want to put money in the community. So it's also a safe way for them. Like they don't really have to disperse all of their money on day one. They are taking a risk and they could use it to fund creators, but they're also earning a return on their capital. So that way, like, of course, you can go to Aave and then deposit your like extra capital there and get a good yield. But this way, you can be more involved with the community. So it's serving a dual purpose where you're also furthering your brand and the domain, and you're also like enabling new creators to come in the field and benefit from from the protocol. So we're, again, it's a very complex system. Like these, like given like how complicated loans are in TradFi as well. So we're still working on the protocol. I've published articles on what the current system looks like for getting the current loan, the current credit value, and then
Yeah.
I'm still working on the system to again improve it as I go.
Yeah, I've read
Awesome.
that. It's a really interesting read. I would suggest everyone to read it. We'll tag it as well. And Yeah, quite interesting to be honest. And I love how much thought you have put into it to make it robust and also help the community in a way that it's not just transactional.
For sure. And
Yeah.
a side plug, Giles is like, aha, Nishika, are you brother and sister? You live at the same place, it looks nice. Bro, we are not in the same place. And but good call out there, good funny one. But Aryan, why don't you actually show people the mini app, right? Let's like go through the first like what you have live. I think people will really intuitively understand how it looks and feels.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's
And
do
everyone
that.
would love to share their scores. Mine is just 58 at this point. I need to use
Oh damn,
Farcaster more.
what is this? Okay, but what is everyone else's score?
What is your score, Sukriti?
Mine is also less. It's 50 exactly.
What about
Yeah.
you, Amrit?
Minus 90.
Oh
Whoa.
damn.
Love it. Love
The
it.
OG podcaster creator amongst us.
Yeah, I might
Yeah.
have to tweak the algorithm a bit for it to go in my favor, but I have the lowest score right now, so
How
I'll
much
just
is
show it.
it?
I'll just show it in the demo because
Let's
again,
go.
Sweet.
But
so
just
Let's
for
go.
uh, just for everyone else, soon we'll also integrate it with Twitter. So you will not just get your creator score on the basis of your Farcast activity, but it will also be on the basis of your Twitter activity. So all the CT people can also get instant loans.
Nice. That's a nice
yeah,
ad.
we want to take this
Let's
step
go.
by step. Yeah. So yeah. So before we begin, like a public service announcement. So this app was created to be used on your mobile devices or your phones. I don't know. I'm being so formal, but yeah, I'm displaying it on my laptop right now, so the UI might be a bit distorted. But here we go. So this is the interface for the app. We kept it very clean and simple. So this is your profile page, and then so the only button on the app right now is to check how much your creator score is. So once you click on that, uh, there's a call to the backend, and then we uh, measure your score based on certain metrics. So there's engagement, which is surprisingly low for me, which and then consistency. So again, I've been very consistent as I've been developing on Farcaster, and my growth has been skyrocketing. So I've got a very high score in that domain, and then quality of my work and network obviously could use some work. So I get a score of 44 right now, and that puts me in the top 80% of creators. So I assume I won't get a lot of good interest rates on this score now, so I'll have to work on it. And I'm in the B tier right now. So what I can do from this score is I can share it, and then uh, goes to another tab. But uh, let's see, I'll task this and then from the menu tab and go to my profile. And yeah, you can see. So I just got a score of 44, and then I can cast about it, and I can also mint an NFT, which seems to be bricked on the. Okay, let me try it again. But there seems to be an issue with the NFT because I think it could be because I've already minted it for the score, and then my score hasn't changed since. So I can't really mint a new NFT on the same score. But these are the ones I've minted in the past. And then there's a live leaderboard. So these are currently the top creators. So I had to run a very huge script to fetch the scores for the top creators in the field. And again, Jesse, you obviously know him, and there are other like very cracked people who've been very active on the platform. And for the loans, this is V0 of the app. So loans come in at V1, and we're still working on it. And you can also check out what the scores of your friends are. So let's Sukriti is on my team. So I know her username. Like a good friend, I have it in my mind. So I remembered it. And yeah, her score is somewhat below 50, very close. But then again, it's much higher than mine. So I can obviously challenge her. And again, you won't be able to see the pop-up because okay, let me change the tab. So maybe you can see it now. So I can
Yeah,
say
we can see it.
checks the score. It's tier B. We're in the same tier, so that's nice. But I'm still 5 points behind her, so I can cast and then tag her like this, and then you can also create a sort of battle or a social trend where you're tagging your friends, and then they get to see what their scores are, what your score is, and then it's a friendly competition. So that's how the app works for now. Uh, I'll stop sharing my screen. So yeah, that
And
was the demo for the app.
just a small note. So the other application that I worked on is I Bet You, and there I'm gonna bet all my friends to have better creator score than me. So it's like I'll be promoting both the apps at the same time.
Lovely. This is so interesting, guys, especially the challenging part. I think we can push each other to, be more active and then have better score. This is interesting. And I'm
For sure.
waiting for the loan part, like super excited for the V1 version.
What
Rajanshi is
will you
turned to
buy with
max
the
expert.
loan?
We're looking
Sorry,
for
what?
some liquidity providers at the moment. So yeah, if you want to fund new creators on the app, if you have excess capital, you can put it into the project, or I'll share you my personal wallet address, and let's just say that some of those funds
Might
will
as
be.
well, bro. I'll share my seed phrase only now. Might as well just like come
Yeah.
there only now.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
awesome. This is damn cool though. And one idea I have for you guys is because you have B tier, A tier, and stuff, right? Like you saw Asha yesterday post about like her crypto yapper tier. Why don't you create a creator tier, just
Hmm.
screenshot? I think it'll be a very fun viral loop. And then people will compete to be, I want to be S tier, nobody wants to be D tier, right? So that's a fun challenge for you guys to like do. And Sukriti, you can kind of take that up.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
Awesome, awesome. So, but Ishika, like, I wanted to ask you, right? Like, because obviously, Aryan's done the development, but you brought the design to life and, made the entire branding and the color, the scheme. So, how did you think about it? And, like, just tell us a bit about how you thought about the design and why you went with the direction.
So like as we all know, being a creator is putting yourself out there. So my one of my main concern was how do I make it engaging in such a way that users want to revisit the app again and again. So like I had an idea of adding a bit of gamification to the platform. It's not currently live, but we are working on it in V1. So we have a mascot of a sprout. You might see it somewhere in the current app also, some glimpses of it. So we have chosen sprout because it dignifies growth, and we just not only have one character but like different levels of sprout over there. So you can unlock that mascot upon your creator score. So say like if your creator score is somewhere between 0 to 30, you will be in a seed phase of a tiny sprout. And if your score is somewhere greater than 70, then it will be a giant mascot with a cape, mask, super cool version. And obviously you can flex your score along with some super cool visuals to it. So it will be like a badge on your profile, and it will also push the creators to like being excited to see like what's the next level will look like.
I have seen glimpses of this mascot and super excited for everyone to see it in V1 version. Ishika has put a lot of thought into it. It's literally three different mascots growing into a bigger version, bigger and better version.
Super cool. I love
Yeah.
the thought behind it. And I think like you can like get a bigger mascot like level up, right, as well over time. So I
Yeah.
think that is super cool. Then you can mint it and then like you flex it and stuff. So lovely, guys. I think I'm actually very, very excited to see how you guys take this forward. And let us now take it forward, release it, launch it. So Sukriti, why don't you do the honors?
Yeah. And meantime, Aaron, you can just pull out the profile.
on it.
Yeah. So we created an internal document where I was just like writing a copy for the announcement. Should I pull that up?
Yeah.
Yes, just
Yeah.
share.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Currently, we can see Aaron's screen, to be honest.
Yeah. I think
It's
I
the same page. So
that's
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Um, Yeah, so we were just typing this up. I would love to hear your thoughts on this copy.
Yes.
So, as we all
Okay.
know, attention is the new currency, and creator holds this new capital. So, we are just fixing it so that creators can also use the capital.
Correct. I think the opening is strong, yeah, because
Yeah.
attention is the new currency. Everyone knows, so that's a good tagline, and I think it flows quite smoothly. So I think this is good. Just check the character limit once to see if it's sitting within 240. Even if it's not, let's see where it ends, and
Mhm.
then we'll try to just capture the first tweet in those many words.
Yeah, okay. Let me do it.
Yes. So it's
Till then,
260 words.
Yeah, it will come under the limit, even
It'll
if
come.
we use a couple of emojis. Yeah.
Hmm. Where?
In terms of tagging in the tweet copy, for now we have tag of base as well as Zora,
Yeah.
and I don't want to tag too many accounts, but also still like Farcast. Like since this is built on Farcaster, so wanted to tag Farcaster. So I've created like
Yeah.
another tweet. We will essentially share the link of the app, and there I have tagged Farcaster. So is that okay?
Yes, I think this is cool. Love it. The first one is pretty sorted. Base Zora is great. Second tweet with link, all good. Check your creators. Check your creator score based on check and share your creator score. So in the DM message, like ask people to quote it, sharing their screenshot of their creator score, right? So then
Yeah.
more people will like just keep on engaging. That's the in the DM message. The tweet is fine. So just make sure you have that in the DM message. Yeah, I think the copy is great though. No further feedback. We'll quickly check your and the team's, what everybody else is posting.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. From
yeah, so
Sukriti.
while you're posting, you can just scroll down.
Yeah. Are you a
Um,
creator who's active on Farcaster, ready to grow? Are you consistent building a network and looking to unlock capital, real capital? Okay.
yeah.
Build buzz and base is built for you. Check your creator score and लोन एलिजिबिलिटी ना बिकॉज अभी तक लाइव नहीं है ना सो वी
Yeah.
फोकस ऑन क्रिएटर स्कोर फर्स्ट okay lovely I like this all good um Aryan we just ship buzz.fun na Aryan
Yeah,
But
that's it.
not tag. Should we tag the link? Should we add the
just
link?
yeah tag the brand account there
Yeah,
was
yeah.
a mini app that lets creators unlock uh, capital with their reputation the forecast was back you up and your creator coins guys ready for feedback it's pretty bad tell me if yours is like get people just so that's good. I think that's it. And then add your screenshot as well, Aryan, like the 44 wala. You can,
I would
yeah,
suggest all of us add our screenshots because then that will encourage others also to do that. And yeah, like of course, Ahan in the channel share screenshots about it.
Yeah. Aaron, there is some
yeah,
disturbance on your end, I guess. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
In the announcement tweet, I was thinking instead of saying so we are launching Buzz on Base, should I just say introducing Buzz on Base?
Yeah,
Yeah,
introducing is better, yes.
yeah. Reads well only. Okay.
Okay, perfect. I
Let's
will
go.
post it now.
Creators face a challenging journey where they have almost little to know. So what if there was a way to find it based on determining your genuineness as a creator? This is why we are excited to launch it.
And accounts to tag will be Zora, Base, Farcaster, Callers FBI, and Based India. Any
Huh.
other account should I be tagging?
In the second tweet.
Like with the video, just tag in the video.
Huh, that is okay. That's fine.
This is good.
Yeah. Okay, from Ishika, you a creator growing faster looking to unlock your capital. And we just went live. My score is Ishika. Just add your score. Share yours below. Okay. And Amrit, same to you. Like, try like this is lengthwise. It's fine. Just try to add a CTA at the end of your code tweet so that people come and engage. Right? Like you want to invite people into your experience. Okay, awesome. We have distribution sorted. We're going to go nuts. ठीक है यार. I think it's looking good. I think it's looking good.
Yeah.
So
And yeah, just a heads up for everyone. In the coming days, we'll be posting. Like we just posted one article today, and we have two more articles lined up, which will explain a lot about the product as well as like our vision and why this makes sense and how would loans work at least high level. So yeah, you guys should check it out.
Perfect addition, Sukriti. Thanks for mentioning this. And also keep sharing this from all of your accounts as well.
Yeah.
You can even add it in the community text that you will be sharing with the communities. Just add it there as well. The one that is launched already.
Yeah. Okay. Will do.
Let's go, guys. Let's launch the video.
let's
Yes.
go.
Live.
Ar-
And
Aaron, you can pull out your screen now. Like, Ahan.
Yeah.
Super excited, guys.
okay, it's live.
All right.
Refresh.
Go
Refresh
read.
it.
Send it on all groups. Rajanshi, do the honors on FBI.
Let's go. Congratulations, guys.
All right. Crazy, crazy stuff.
Here's my Twitter score as well.
Aaron, you should also post it on Farcaster and increase your score.
Share it with Zelinda because she reposts any like new mini apps. She basically is quite supportive on like tweets and reposts.
I need to figure out how to do that.
Okay. I quoted with my score, guys. Awesome. Oh,
Also mute Aaron.
Do I keep sharing the screen?
yeah. All right. We are live from Based India as well. Super. Just yeah, guys, just make sure and whoever you're DMing 1 to 1 to ask them to, like, just go mint and share their creator score. All right.
I have posted on FBI as well. Now I'll share my score. But perfect, guys. This was an amazing launch, to be honest. Plus, very excited to what's next because you guys have a lot to unlock in the next stage. So keep building on that and super excited to see where you take this.
Awesome. Let's go. Congrats, guys. Mad launch. And yeah, just keep on building and chat with us on, like, again, I keep saying this to everyone at the end. The first 24 hours very important because most of your attention, your focus is going to come from your audience now. Capitalize on it. Make sure you, like, we have the viral loop baked in, so that's a good thing. We'll see how it goes. But keep bull posting, have posts ready personally from the brand account, and then we'll chat on the follow-on week and how to scale from there.
Let's go, guys.
Awesome.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Also, yeah, also, we would love to see you all for the next launch tomorrow. Just few more left, and then we'll see you for the next fellowship.
Rajanchi is like, then I can hibernate for 3 months.
Yes. Before the next fellowship, we'll hibernate for some time this time. Let's
Okay,
hope
awesome.
Soumya doesn't see this.
Awesome. Okay, chalo guys. Then we'll call it a session here. Okay. All
Bye
right.
bye.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.